Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas. It's a counting book with a surprise at the end. Let's begin. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. There goes Blue. So happy. And it's December, so it's been snowing. And there's even a duck ice skating in the frozen pond. Everyone is so happy, especially Blue. Beep, beep, beep. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Oh, where's Little Blue? It's a tree farm. A Christmas tree farm. And there goes Toad waiting for Blue because there's a job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? Oh, there goes the bed on Blue's truck right there. And there goes 1 tree. How many will fit? We'll see. 1 tree. 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Whoa, do you see all the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. And there goes Toad pulling. Tree number 5, the biggest tree. Wow, Toad, you're so strong. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Oh, Blue is ready with all the trees in the back. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Oh, do you see all the cars? They're going up and down and up and down. Yes, there's even 2 rabbits. Oh, making a snowman. Oh, that snowman looks so happy. So beautiful. And there goes Blue. And all that traffic. Who needs a Christmas tree? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Oh, so Blue's friend, the goose, took tree number 5, the biggest one. And do you see all the little ducklings? Oh, there's a tiny little baby geese. They're even on top of the tree. They're all wearing little hats. How cute. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. So the cow got tree number 4. And there goes the little calf. Oh, so warm with the hat and the scarf. And now there's 1, 2, 3 trees left in Blue's bed. Who else is going to take a tree? Oink, oink, says the pig. That one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Oh, so there goes Mama Pig with her piglets. And Mama Pig has taken tree number 3, the short one. And now there's 1, 2 trees left on Blue's bed. That's right. Meh, says the goat. The short one, please. Now there is 1 Christmas tree. So the goat took, the short one. That's right. The number 2 short tree. And look, it's being pulled up, up, up. It's probably going to go right there. Look at all the baby goats. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3 little goats. Oh, and this little goat is on top of Daddy. Wow. So now there's 1 left. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. There goes Toad waiting for Blue with the tree. It's nighttime. you see that? Oh, you see that? That's the surprise. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Do you want to see the lights again? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Whoa. Look at that. So beautiful. Do you see the gifts underneath the tree? Oh, let's do that one more time. Oh, one more time. Too fast. There it is. Oh, it looks so beautiful with lights on it. I love Christmas trees. I can't wait to put mine up and put gifts at the bottom for my family and friends. This gift is for Toad and this gift is for Blue. So cute. So Blue got the last Christmas tree. What good luck. And I bet they had a beautiful Christmas. And that's the end of Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Yay! I hope you had fun counting with me. Merry Christmas!